Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2013 Honda CBR250R Repsol edition. This bike's got just a little over 2,000 miles on it and is in great shape. It has been down on the left-hand side, but it's all pretty minimal. So let's take a walk around this stock motorcycle and then we'll fire it up. And with only a little over 2,000 miles on it, the tires are still in excellent condition. Got plenty of miles left on those. The right side of the bike is very clean. Have noticed a couple of little marks on the exhaust here. And as you can see by the back tire, that does have plenty of life left in it. So. Alright, well, on the tip over on the left-hand side here, we've got some scraping on the back of the mirror. Got some scraping on the clutch lever and bar end, along with the middle fairing. And a real light scuff here on the tail. But, like I said, pretty minimal. This bike's still in great shape. $2,055 is what's on it. This Repsol edition will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, on your labor, and on your accessories. So thank you for shopping. Simply Street Bikes.